Hello everyone. Today we will explore a fascinating part of linguistics, lexical semantics, which is all about understanding how words carry meaning. It's the foundation of how humans and machines make sense of language. So what is semantics? See, when we talk about semantics, we are really talking about meaning in language. Semantics looks at how words, phrases, and sentences express the ideas. It has two major parts. One is lexical semantics, which studies word meanings, and compositional semantics, which looks at how meanings combine in sentences. And our focus today is on lexical semantics, meaning at the word level. So, what is lexical semantics again? Lexical semantics is simply the study of word meanings, as I have already told, how each word stores and expresses meanings in our mind. It also examines how words relate to each other. For example, how cat and dog belong to the same conceptual family of animals. In short, lexical semantics helps us to understand the building blocks of meaning. So let's see the core idea. Every word has one or more senses or meanings. The meaning we understand depends on context in which the word appears. For instance, take the word book. If one sentence book means a printed object, I read it as a book. But in other, it means reserve. To reserve, I booked a ticket. So, context plays a key role in determining the meaning. So, what are key concepts in lexical semantics? There are a few important concepts to grasp here. First is sense, which refers to the meaning of a word in a particular context. Second, as you see, is reference, what the word actually points to the real world. And then lexical field, which is simply a group of related words like red, blue, green in color field. And finally, word sense disambiguation is choosing the right meaning of a word depending on how it is used. So let's see a mental lexicon. Our brain doesn't store words in isolation. It organizes them in the web of a related meanings, which is called as the mental lexicon. When we hear the word dog, our mind instantly activates related concepts like cat, bark, pet, or animal. And this interconnected network helps in process language almost instantly. So let's explore a few examples dealing with context and meaning. So here is a simple example. In he sat by the bank of the river, the word bank means a riverside. But in she works at a bank downtown, it refers to a financial institution. Same word, two different meanings, and our mind effortlessly picks the right one from the context. So, what are goals of lexical semantics? What does lexical semantics aim to do? It tries to explain how word meanings are structured and how we interpret them. In linguistics, it helps us understand language comprehension. In AI and NLP, it helps machines understand human language. For example, in translation of chatbots or translation or chatbot applications. So example set of variety of word meanings. Let's look at some fun examples of how flexible words can be. The word run can mean jogging, operating a machine, or managing a business. Light can mean illumination or something not heavy. Mouse might be an animal or a computer device. This variety of meanings is what makes language so rich and sometimes so tricky for computers to learn. To wrap up, lexical semantics is about understanding how words carry meaning and how those meanings shift with context. It shows that meaning isn't fixed, it's dynamic and interconnected. This understanding is central not just to linguistics, but also to fields like cognitive science and artificial intelligence. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this gave you a clear picture of what lexical semantics is and why it matters. I'll be happy to take your questions or to hear your thoughts in the form of suggestions or comments. Thank you.